Hi, I'm Mark Butler, Director of Sales at Guyson Corporation. Welcome. Today we wanted to show you a little bit more about who we are at Guyson. We build a lot of robotic machines. So far we've shipped about 115 units. This is our RB-10. The RB-10 is a workhorse. This machine has been built in a variety of configurations to do a variety of applications. This particular unit is made up of a dual media delivery system. 2 pressure vessels, has the ability to separate similar media into different sizes for delivery to the part. The recipe that's loaded into the machine from the barcode scan that it receives, and the appropriate media will be delivered to the appropriate nozzle within this machine. The Guyson RB-10 system does 100% blast all in one cycle. It's made up of a handling robot with blast nozzles as well as the grippers, which reaches out to the front of the machine, grabs the next part, it turns with the gripper, with the part in the gripper, towards the regrip station where the blast occurs. On the regrip station you also see 2 nozzles. Based on the recipe, it will use the appropriate media in that station as well. The Guyson regrip station is powered by a servo. The servo is connected to a low backlash gearbox for accurate movement. The regrip requires a high degree of accuracy when you're transferring the part from one set of grippers to the other. While the part is in the regrip for the 100% coverage, it also blasts with the nozzles that are attached to the robot. This saves time rather than gripping and regripping the part over and over again. It holds the part in the gripper that is protected by the urethane boot, and the specific fingers that it uses are 3D printed, easily replaceable when they wear out. Guyson suits are designed for your application, for your robot. They're made up of a proprietary material that slides easily over the robot, limiting the amount of drag. They last a long time because they're designed specifically for the movements that are required for your system. The Guyson Grip Blast system is equipped with an adder hopper. When the pressure vessels determine a low condition and media needs to be added, the appropriate media is added from the adder hopper. It's dosed into the working mix so that it does not overwhelm the system with brand new media, but it mixes it in slowly, maintaining your blast quality. Guyson robotic blast systems are equipped with a proven system of reclaim. Starting beneath the machine, media is drawn by the strong dust collector through the reclaim ducting into the classifier. The classifier separates fines very efficiently compared to the competition. The vibrating screen classifier takes the cleaner mix and sizes it, delivers it to the appropriate vessel, in this case 2 media separation for delivery to the blast nozzle. Our vessels are ASME certified and very safe to use, controlled by the PLC. Grit valves are installed beneath the system for media flow. All parts are easy to replace, long-lasting, and durable. Ease of maintenance is a must at Guyson.